My name is Azim. I'm Client Relationship Officer at Hilly Consultants Group. I have completed recently engagement for Luxembourg, where I did company information and bank account opening engagement for our client. So the first step is going to be reserving a company name at the Trade and Companies Registry in Luxembourg. Once we've done that, we are proceeding to secure a bank account to acquire a share capital account for your business and secure a certificate of blockage for which you will have to deposit a minimum required capital of 12,000 euros. Once the bank issues their certificate of blockage, we submit the formal application to Trade and Companies Registry in Luxembourg, and within 2 weeks we acquire deed of incorporation and company numbers for your business. If we are to proceed with a PSP account, that should be a non-exhaustive procedure of getting in a basic set of KYC documents, which is a colored copy of passport, which is proof of your address, tax return, and some documents on your existing company if you have. But if we go to a traditional bank in Luxembourg, that is case-by-case scenario, and it depends solely on individual cases. I would say the first thing that we are standing out from our competitors and other service providers is our excellent level of communication with our customers, which means we are always online, we're always keeping them updated and at all stages of the engagement. Second thing is I'd like to highlight is that we have a good relationship with banks, and we have good relationship with the trade registry in Luxembourg. And the last thing, which is also important, that we are expertise. We have done a lot of engagements. We have a vast and broad experience in onboarding clients from all over the world. It normally takes around 3 months to secure a bank account and complete the incorporation process in Luxembourg. However, if our clients agree to proceed with the PSP account, that can be done with a relative ease, and it can be done within 4 weeks, which takes 2 weeks to secure a share capital account and 2 weeks to acquire deed of incorporation company numbers for your business in Luxembourg.